Here we are having some breakfast. Say hi, Oliver. Hi. There's some teeth in the top with a Cheerio in there. And a lot of snot. Maybe we could work on that before we get too much down the path of movie stardom. Oh. Yeah. When did I say it was? It's November 15th. And we're trying to just have some breakfast. We woke up at 5. Mom wasn't happy. But Dad was on duty for a good hour, so Mom got to go back to sleep. Huh. Yeah. Now we're having some applesauce and our new Cheerios. Okay. Say bye-bye. 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 Say bye-bye. He doesn't know how.